For $30 holler at your boy. This is great. This is great. What do you think?
Apple.
Haha, I like it. This is going to be good for gaming. So happy with this Amazon Prime Day. Rocks. Look at the size of my screen. I feel like a freaking boss. For $30, I'll take a gaming monitor. So cool. 27-inch gaming monitor, Amazon Basics. Let's open her up, review her. So here it is, guys, a 27-inch gaming monitor that I got for Amazon Prime Day for $30-something. 27-inch, 1080p, 100 hertz, built-in speakers. So we got her open. Here are the insides so far. All right, we got it out. We've got a charger. I guess this is where it's held. The stand. Power cable or other side of the charger. Quick setup guide as well as an HDMI cable. Nice. Amazon Basics. Quick setup guide. And there you have it, folks. The instructions, the HDMI cable, the power bank, the stand, and everything this 27-inch monitor comes with. Alright, so I got it out. It's sandwiched in between two styrofoam, so it's pretty well protected. Amazon Basics, for $30, I know you put more than $30 into this. Here's the packaging it comes sandwiched in.
That action has fixed. I can come and say fixed problem.
And it clicks in. It clicks in and it's super secure.
The motor is making a different kind of positive feedback. All you're providing is negative feedback. Both feedback.
And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. It kind of slants forward a little bit. The Amazon Basic $30 27-inch monitor purchased on Prime Day. Let's see how good it is at video games. Lots of ports. Ooh, even has some old school ports in case you have a 360. Nice. So yeah, this is compatible if you got an old style video game non-HDMI. Let's start her up. So this is the power cable for it. It's a chunky boy. Let's get her plugged in. One really weird part is that this super heavy adapter has to come in here on the side of the screen. This is the power. So it gets fed here on the side of the screen. And then you got to run it to your power. Alright, so we got the power hooked up. Let's go ahead and turn her on. Guys, this monitor has the weirdest on switch. It's behind the monitor right here. Alright, so this is the screen on my laptop. Let's see how this screen does. First, let's turn it on. And let's plug in the HDMI cable that came with it. Well, it's bigger. And it looks pretty decent. I just wish I could not have it tilted down so much. See how it kind of tilts down? I don't know if you can see it, but it's tilted down a bit. Like this. Maybe there's a way to fix that. Lift this a little, and now it's not so tilted? I don't know. But yeah, it looks good. You see how the laptop is slightly brighter? But other than that, I can't really tell a difference. It looks fantastic. So you go into the options. And you put it in graphics mode, and the screen comes alive. Now it's even better than the laptop screen. So for $30 holler at your boy, this is great. This is great. What do you think?
Apple.
And that's how we're gonna end it, folks. So for $30 next Prime Day, get yourself a monitor.
So
Guys, this thing has volume control.
without dishonoring Logan's memory.
This thing has volume control, all types of really great things for gaming, etc.
I'm gonna let you know a little secret. Wolverine is not dead. Sure, it made for a perfect ending to a very sad story, but that's not how regenerative healing factors work. You think I want to be out here in beautiful downtown North Dakota, digging up the one and only Wolverine? No, thank you. But the fate of my entire world is at stake. You may not be living.
So those are my settings, folks. Go get your own. 10 out of 10. I could have bought 2 Marvel Legends or a gaming monitor.
Exposed in the body. 207 if I'm watching Gossip Girl. Here we go. Maximum effort.
All right.
Guess we're getting that team up after.
This is the best $30 I've ever spent. An entire it's got great picture, decent speakers, and lots of different inputs for the older devices. Amazon Basics. Big shout out to the 27-inch screen that Amazon sold me. Heck yeah. Best $30 I ever spent, which is crazy. $30 spent on this, $36 after taxes. Like $23 after taxes spent on the wireless keyboard and mouse. The look, amazing. Dude, this is my new gaming experience thanks to Amazon. $30, $30, and I've got a desktop experience with a gaming laptop. Absolutely phenomenal. So happy with this Amazon Prime Day. Rocks. Look at the size of my screen. I feel like a freaking boss.